In my bowl I have 600 gram of flour. To that add 200 gram of icing sugar, 10 gram of vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 egg yolks, 400 gram of butter, and lastly 1 lemon zest. Cover it and place it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Cut your dough to 3 equal pieces. To my first dough, I added 15 gram of cocoa powder. Bake it in a preheated oven for 7 minutes on 170 degrees. Add 30 gram of chopped hazelnuts to 250 gram of melted chocolate. Place it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. To the second dough, add 15 gram of ground pistachios along with 3 gram of lemon zest. Bake it on 170 degrees for 7 minutes. Dip the biscuits in melted white chocolate. Fill your third dough with strawberry jam and decorate it with ground pistachios and ground walnuts. And here is the final product. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified whenever we post a new video. See you in my next one. Bye!